Okay guys, quick update. I'm pushing to get done. Checking for power right now. About to finish wiring all of this up, trans brake and the line lock back to this. I got my harness, gotta remove some of the wires again because I'm gonna use some of this insulation to give it a clean look. But right now I'm finishing up with the trans cooler. This is AN10 to AN6, and these braided hoses, transmission cooler hoses, are AN6. Let me show you guys what I have to do. So I have to remove the stock fittings from out of this transmission and put those AN6 fittings in here with these braided, really nice lines. And I'm gonna use that insulation to make that look really, really nice. This was just for right now. I'm about to do that right now. Remove this. I'm gonna install the cross member. I got a universal mount for this. I'm gonna put a piece of harness here. Just make it, I'm gonna clean it all up, guys. And we should be all done. I should be jacking up and putting the transmission mount on right now. And yeah, that's it. We'll be ready to go. I'm gonna change this pan out, guys, to one with the drain plug on it. Make things convenient and better. Pretty much done installing this, but I'm waiting on that plate, that gate plate, for the reverse setup, since I got a reverse manual valve body transmission in here. And that should be here tomorrow, hopefully. Yeah, we'll be done, guys, in the next couple of days. Completely done. I'm excited to see how it's gonna perform with the new automatic transmission. But yeah, right now I'm currently finishing up the cooler. Just put me an inline fuse here, and we should be all good. But really nice, clean look. I'll put the grill back in a second. Kind of make this look a little bit better under here as well. So just want to kind of show you guys this. I'll be back to kind of show you guys the finished product in a minute, and hopefully we'll be starting up shortly. All right, we got us hooked up. I'm using these smart fuses, guys. It glows when it blows. Got a bunch of them bought a long time ago. I got a bunch of these fuses, even for the newer applications. Just think they're cool. So gotta hook up this ground. I'm gonna use it here where the grill mounts in at. Be perfect and clean this up a little bit. And when I turn the key for it, the fan should start up. That's when I want it to start up, guys. As soon as I turn the key for it to start this thing, I want it to start up. I don't want to switch on anything. I want it to come on as soon as I start the vehicle. All right, guys, I had to reverse the blade on this one because it was in the pull position and it's facing towards the engine. So you want it to be in the pull position. So as you're driving into the wind, it's pulling that fresh air in as well. Yeah, let's finish up and install the grill back, and we're done with this. All right, guys, grill back on. So I gotta get in the car now and finish the trans mount and install the cross member, and then I'll be jacking this thing down. I just went off an inch here, an inch there, and kind of made it look really nice and symmetrical to give me some space for the larger transmission. The manual transmission, like I said, this was over an inch. That was over an inch. So I just shaved an inch off of there. This car was, you know, this is all aluminum. Somebody did an amazing job with the frame of this car. And the cross member also is fabricated. It's really nice. And I may have to mess with the bracket on it to fit the automatic transmission, but everything else is gonna line up pretty good. We're gonna seal that off. I'm gonna mount the shifter in a second, but really nice on here, guys. All this is super nice, super nicely done. And look at that monster in. Everything lines up like perfect. And I'm in the air, so yeah, excited about how this is, guys. I'll be mounting the trans up in a minute, trying to get it going so we can get to the strip. Okay, guys, I'm done wiring. I'm gonna clean it up in a second. It's just a rough wiring to make sure everything's working properly. This is the line lock trans brake. This is the line lock indicator light to let you know that the line lock is engaged. And you will hit the solenoid of the trans brake when I hit this button. So let's turn the key forward. All right, guys, zoom out. Line lock. Here's solenoid. Okay, listen for the trans brake, guys. Perfect. All right, guys, I'm pretty much done. I've been working like crazy to get this thing done. I'm just gonna patch up the floor. Transmission is in perfectly. I'm gonna remove this tape. I'm gonna use some wire connectors like so. Safety neutral switch is connected and hooked up. I'm waiting on this gator plate so I can switch this off and put the cover on. And but everything else is connected, and let me show you guys underneath the car. Got to test for leaks as well. I think it's perfect though. You can see it leaking. Grill is back on. Trans cooler fan is connected. The lines coming out. Got some wire ties on them right now. And I'm waiting on the gauge. I bought a volt meter, guys. It's not here yet. It's just similar to the one I took out of here. It won't look that bad. It's not the same brand or cam, but I can remove the bezel off the old one and put it on here. Guys, I don't got the key to this. I can't find the key to the glove compartment, guys. I don't know where it's at, so I'm gonna have to drill that open. That sucks. I don't know. I don't know what's in it. I never opened this. I don't have the key to it. The key didn't come with this. It was a separate small key, and I was never able to get it. So all right, guys, we're done. Completely done with this thing. Just waiting on this plate. Got this aluminum. I'm gonna cover this section up. Just finished charging the batteries. I left one of the batteries. I left the lights on by mistake for a couple days, and it was still, the battery's still up. So I just had them on charge just now. But both of them are charged up. Let me show you guys underneath the car. So, but pretty much everything looks really nice. I used that thermal insulated wire harness I got. Got a lot of it, guys. I ran it nice, made me a harness for under here. Just wanted everything to look really, really nice. Got everything ran good. really nice on here, guys. Want everything to look super nice. Yep, everything is ran perfect. So, my only thing now, guys, is to start it and see how it is. I also painted the pan too, guys. I want it to look nice before I put the new pan on. I'll order one in a few days. The reverse pattern gate plate came, guys. I'm gonna swap it out for this one. Super easy. Now I got your Moody's Eclipse. So guys, we're gonna start it up now. For the first start, make sure I don't have no line leaks. I think everything's perfect though. I really do. Alright guys, this thing is running incredible. Before I let it down, guys, we're gonna weigh it. We're gonna see what it weighs. We got the steel right here. We're gonna see how much it weighs now, because I've added the new rear end and I've added the new transmission, which both are heavier than the parts that came out of here. So I'm gonna do that in a separate video. I'm gonna let it down now, guys. Those fans are blowing.